In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create flow in Manychat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a simple, effective flow from a clean slate, and you'll understand why each choice matters so your automation feels smooth and intentional. Start by opening Manychat and heading to the Home tab. From there, look to the left sidebar and open Automations. Click New Automation to begin. This creates a dedicated space for the flow you're about to build, keeping it separate from existing automations so it's easy to manage and update later. When the setup screen appears, choose Start from Scratch. This option gives you full control over the structure and content instead of relying on pre-built templates, which is perfect when you want a custom experience for your audience. Select Build Your Own Way, then continue with Start from a blank canvas. You'll see an empty workspace where you can plan the path your users will take. Next, choose your trigger and save it. The trigger determines when and how this flow starts, such as a keyword, a button tap, or a specific event. Pick the trigger that best matches your use case and save to lock in the entry point for the conversation. Now add your first content block. You can insert text for your core message, images to make it more engaging, a PDF if you're delivering a resource, or a delay to create natural pacing. Arrange these blocks in the order you want people to experience them. Keep messages clear and concise, use short delays to simulate typing when appropriate, and ensure any media supports the main goal of the flow. When everything looks good, click Set Live. This publishes your flow so it's ready to run whenever the trigger fires. Remember, you can come back to refine messages, adjust timing, or add additional blocks at any time. That's it. You've manually created a flow in Manychat from scratch with a clean trigger, purposeful content, and a live, ready-to-use automation.